Hey YouTube, it's me Chandler. Draw like a nerd. Hey YouTube, Chandler here for Draw Like a Nerd, and we're going to finish up our drawing of Umbreon here with some color. For this drawing today, of course, we're going to be using some black, and of course some white as well. And for Umbreon's eyes, we're going to try out Scarlet. Since Umbreon is black and it's hard to make a blacker black with these here oil pastels, we're gonna try out this here dark gray just to see if that'll maybe work for Umbreon's general tone here. And then for Umbreon's rings, we're going to be using chrome yellow. But now that we're all set now, we got our colors, we got our blenders, we got our subject, we got our source up here and down there. So let's just get into it the way we always get into it, with the legs. We're going to scrap the gray, and we're going to just use two different types of black, I guess. We're going to use, because like here we got like some really darker black, and here's some like lighter black, so that's what we're going to try. And we're just going to go over everything with this new black. We're just going to try this all over again. This is getting kind of difficult. You can't barely make out what's shadow and what's not. This is a bit of a problem that I'm going to want to... Actually, this right here is also black, but it is different. It's a different brand of black. So, and this produces a much honestly darker shade of black, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, that's it for like all the black and gray that we're using on Umbreon's body. So now we're going to get into the yellow and actually add some color to this coloring video. So in my last video, I left these things, the pupils open a bit, just so we can fit in some white glare in there. So I'm going to put that in right now. Okay, there's Umbreon. Looking good. You can always count on bringing in the eyes to really bring stuff together. Now we're going to drop in our nose. And we lost our mouth in the coloring, so we're just gonna have to put a nice little line. Boop. Alright, now as we have reached the point of outlining, this is gonna be a trip for me at least, so let's just get into it. Ugh, this has been a difficult drawing. It's coming out well, but this has been a difficult one to color at least. All right. Here's our picture of Umbreon. Definitely a hard one. I definitely learned some stuff along the way, and that's what we like to do here. We like to learn by doing. So we did it, we learned, and we're better for it. So thank you guys all for joining me. I'm gonna click, and we're just snapping into a nice little gray background there. And with the background set, drawing done, there's just one thing left to do. That'll do it for this drawing, guys. I'm gonna see you guys back in the room. Bye. And here's our finished product. You know, all in all, in my own opinion, it's not my best work. So maybe someday I might revisit this. But you know what? All in all, I am pretty satisfied with it. I'm pretty happy with it, and I hope you guys are too. And I'm very proud to put Umbreon up on the wall. So let's do that. And there's our Umbreon, the literal black sheep of the Eevee family. Well, that does it for today's episode of Draw Like a Nerd. I hope you guys liked it. And if you did like it, make sure you hit that like button. And if you think other people would like it, hit that share button. And if you want to see next week's episodes, and I know you do, hit the subscribe button. It's just that easy. All right. I got videos here every Tuesday and Thursday, and I got a new quick draw up tomorrow of our Umbreon videos. But until then, I'm Chandler, you're the best, and this is Draw Like a Nerd. Bye!